ओके, लाइक आई कैन अग्री एट दिस पॉइंट वेर इन यू से कि कुछ प्लेयर्स ज्यादा ट्रोल होते हैं और कुछ प्लेयर्स कम ट्रोल होते हैं। ये तो बात सही है, ट्रोलिंग मेरे हिसाब से होनी ही नहीं चाहिए,
होनी नहीं चाहिए,
होनी नहीं चाहिए, दैट इज अ फैक्ट, नहीं होनी चाहिए। हर प्लेयर को उसका स्पेस देना जरूरी है। So Virat Kohli has been heavily trolled in the past few days on Twitter and many other platforms because he skipped a few matches after World Cup. But then
to correct you, he has not skipped a few matches, he has played a few matches. World Cup के बाद Kohli has only played 2 international matches and he is not playing in any international match after World Cup. कितने सारे महीने हो गए?
Okay, I agree that he has been absent for most of the time after World Cup. But then this player has not done this for so many years. I guess 2011 is when his career started. 2023, and I guess there is hardly a test match he's missed. So if at this point in time this player is saying that for some personal reason that he doesn't wish to reveal.
See, firstly, he has not said he's not playing because of a personal reason. De Villiers fiasco, we know that was a big PR mishap. I mean, he said there are personal reasons. Then De Villiers ने ट्वीट करके बताया कि नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, Kohli is everything is fine. By the way, Kohli is not just important for fans, he's also important for business. When Kohli doesn't play, think about जिसने broadcasting rights लिए है, Star Sports, उनका भी revenue affect होता है. All the brands, for example, जिन्होंने ad slots खरीदे. So when Kohli doesn't play, even the viewership goes down and it's a big loss to the business as well.
So the businesses that you're talking about are the businesses who've actually made a lot of money off of Virat Kohli for a very long time. अब इतना पैसा कमाया है for personal reasons, अगर एक सीजन या एक साल भी वो प्लेयर नहीं खेलता है तो थोड़ा तो लॉस आई गेस हर कोई कॉम्पनसेट कर सकता है।
No, I get it. Also, it will sound very harsh on me to say कि सिर्फ businesses के लिए Kohli has to play. अगर कोई personal reasons है, he can definitely take rest. But when you talk about merciless trolling on Twitter, this is nothing. I mean, look at the way how Bumrah was trolled when he was out because of injury reasons. But when Virat Kohli is resting, by the way, अभी IPL आएगा एक महीने के बाद, same energy, same zeal, same dot fake aggression, everything will be back on screen. So when other players do it, they are trolled mercilessly. But when Virat Kohli does it, ठीक है भाई, पर्सनल रीजंस के लिए लीव ले लो, इट्स कंप्लीटली फाइन. सो दैट डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ इंडियन फैंस इज समथिंग दैट आई नेवर अंडरस्टूड.
ओके, लाइक आई कैन अग्री एट दिस पॉइंट वेयर इन यू से कि कुछ प्लेयर्स ज्यादा ट्रोल होते हैं और कुछ प्लेयर्स कम ट्रोल होते हैं। ये तो बात सही है, ट्रोलिंग मेरे हिसाब से होनी ही नहीं चाहिए,
होनी नहीं चाहिए,
होनी नहीं चाहिए, दैट इज अ फैक्ट, नहीं होनी चाहिए। हर प्लेयर को उसका स्पेस देना जरूरी है।
और पर्सनल रीजंस है तो सी, अदरवाइज Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli are very vocal on Twitter.
Yes.
They'll tweet about everything. So if there is any personal reason, they could have made some statement. Because right now it is looking like a poor PR management. This entire fiasco of AB de Villiers and, you know, fans are asking where is Kohli. He's even skipped the upcoming test series. So the team needs him right now.
See, here's the thing. We keep saying personal reasons, personal reasons, personal reasons, and then we expect them to come on Twitter and declare their personal reasons to everybody in the country. अब कुछ चीजें उनको नहीं बतानी माना. He's a very big पब्लिक पर्सनालिटी जिनके बेसिस पे बहुत कुछ चलता है कंट्री में, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है ना कि अपनी लाइफ की छोटी से छोटी माइन्यूट से माइन्यूट डिटेल, बहुत पर्सनल चीज आके वो शेयर कर देंगे यार.
वेरी ट्रू. But see, right now country needs him. I'll tell you a similar incident. Ishan Kishan recently took leave for personal reasons, but then he was caught partying in Dubai and BCCI lashed out at him. And there are news reports that he was even skipped from the upcoming tournament because he did this. In the personal time, he chose to stay in Dubai instead of being with his family in India. So this is my point. You can take leave because of personal reasons, great. But what are your yardsticks? To Ishan Kishan was the country needed you and you were not playing in South Africa, you were partying in Dubai. But when a player like Virat Kohli does it, it's completely fine. We should give him the space. So this is wrong. And these are Indian fans that we're talking about. Different yardsticks for Bumrah and Ishan Kishan. But when it comes to Kohli, we have to understand. We have to support them. So this is something I'm not getting.
See, here again, I will agree to a point where you say that, you know, why is this differential behavior that we are projecting out there? तो सबके लिए same behavior रखो. That is true. बिहेवियर रखना है सबके लिए रखो. बट देन दिस बिहेवियर वेरिएंट भी से कि तुम 2 महीना नहीं अरे चलो 2 महीना लेके किसी ने पार्टी किया है, उसका पूरे लाइफ में वो 2 महीना क्या करना चाहता है, एटलीस्ट ये डिसीजन तो वो ले सकता है आफ्टर सिग्निफिकेंटली कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग इन इंडियन क्रिकेट. अब ऐसे तो हर बार कंट्री विल नीड हिम, तो ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि ये 1 महीना 2 महीना 3 महीने का ब्रेक वो ले ही नहीं सकता है, क्योंकि जब तक वो रिटायर नहीं हो जाता तब तक कंट्री इज गोइंग टू नीड हिम. तो तब तक ही सपोज टू स्किप एवरी लाइट मूड दैट ही वांट्स टू हैव, एवरी पर्सनल सेलिब्रेशन दैट ही वांट्स टू डू. सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज कि यस, ये जो प्लेयर्स का बायस है दिस हैज टू एंड. हर प्लेयर को चाहे वो कितना बड़ा है कितना छोटा है सेम ट्रीट करो. बट वो जो लेवरेज है ना कि कंट्री नीड्स यू तो तुम नहीं ही जा सकते, ये डालना गलत है.
That is completely fine. See, there are news. I mean, it's not confirmed, but he's maybe taking leaves because Anushka Sharma is pregnant. I mean, it's fine. He has to be with his family, but then I hope he'll stay with his family even when IPL begins in the month of March. Because then suddenly, if you play all the 13 matches for RCB, you have not skipped a single match for Royal Challengers Bangalore. You are de facto captain of the IPL. If all of, I mean, I understand he should be with his family. Even he should not care IPL है क्या है कैसी चीज है. If his family needs him, he should stay with his family instead of playing for the IPL. But that's my personal opinion. Let's see. और IPL के टाइम पे पता चल जाएगा क्या चीज है.